Hi, and welcome to this Mindful Healing Moment. My name is Kimberly Murphy from Crofton Yoga Wellness, and today we're looking at a breathing technique called Bhramari Pranayama, otherwise known as the Bumble Bee Breath. So this technique has been practiced for centuries to help calm the nervous system and quiet the mind and bring your awareness inward. It's particularly helpful at reducing stress and balancing emotions. Bhramari is a Sanskrit word that translates to mean female bumblebee. And it's named for the high-pitched sound that the female bumblebees make in India, because you're going to mimic that sound on the exhale when doing the pranayama. The ancient yogis who named this practice encouraged us to create the highest pitch possible to draw the awareness inward and anchor the mind in stillness. So the technique is like a bridge between sound and silence and can help release the distractions of the everyday world and settle the mind and cultivate a deep presence or bring about meditation. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to demonstrate the technique first. Then I'm going to tell you and explain what I was doing, and then explain some benefits, reasons you might want to give this a try, and reasons that you want to be cautious for giving this technique a try. And then you can make the decision if you want to try it with me, and I'll lead you through 3 rounds of Bhramari. All right, so take a moment to just watch and listen as I demonstrate this technique. So what was I doing? I came to a tall seated place. I'm sitting in a chair with my feet on the floor. You could equally do this sitting on the floor with your back to the wall. As long as your spine is tall and lengthened and the cushion or support underneath you is steady and firm. Then I took a few breaths in and out just to center myself. And then I raised my tongue inside my mouth to touch the soft palate. And I created a firm, steady press. This is also known as Kichari Mudra. It's another technique or way to draw your attention and keep it focused inward. So as I pressed my tongue against the roof of my mouth, I took a big breath in. And on the exhale, I was trying to make the deepest, highest pitch sound, like a bumblebee, that sound that you heard, that vibration. I was trying to keep that sound steady and strong until I was completely out of breath. And then at the end, I just came back to my natural breath and felt where I felt the vibration and that mix of stillness. So this practice really encourages you to go in deeper. It really helps to develop that inner stillness and quiet the mind. So that's number 1, the reason I love to practice this pranayama. It can also help you to support a restful night's sleep. So it can help slow down the brainwave activity and maybe get you the rest that you're looking for. Now, there's a couple reasons that you want to be cautious in trying this technique. If you have any throat irritation, sinus congestion, respiratory infection, cold, flu, severe allergies, you want to wait till that's gone away, till you can breathe normally, there's no aggravation in your throat. Otherwise, the technique could aggravate the symptoms and it just probably won't feel very good. If you start to feel dizzy or lightheaded during the technique, I encourage you to rest and to maybe not press quite as hard, and then give it a second try. If you still get dizzy, just return to your natural breath. All right, so if you think this technique is good for you and you'd like to give it a try and feel its benefits, I invite you to maybe pause this recording and find that comfortable, supported place for yourself. Or if you're ready, go ahead and come to sit tall. Lengthen your spine, closing the eyes, or maybe look to one point. And we'll begin with just taking a few breaths in and out through the nose. No control. Breathing in and out. Then feel your tongue in your mouth. And lift the tongue to press against the soft palate. And make a firm, steady press. Be aware of the tongue pressing against the roof of the mouth while you breathe. And then take a deep breath in through the nose. As you exhale, exhale with the loudest humming sound you can make. When you get to the end of the out-breath, release the tongue. Come back to your natural breath. Feel. And then we'll try that again. Coming to sit tall. Let the tongue raise to lightly press against the soft palate. And then create that firm, steady press up. Take a deep breath in through the nose. And begin. Letting the tongue relax at the end of the breath. Return to your natural breath in and out. Feel the vibration, the sound, and the stillness that follows. And preparing for that third and final round, make any adjustments to how you're sitting. Swallow to release the throat. And then let the tongue lift to press against the soft palate. Create that firm, strong press. And then draw a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale with that high-pitched humming sound. As you return to that natural breath, let the tongue soften inside the mouth. And pause here for a moment. Notice any shifts, any changes. How do you feel? A few rounds of Bhramari every day could help you to quiet the mind, to regulate the emotions, and cultivate some inner stillness. So gently start to bring yourself back into this practice, into this space by blinking your eyes, checking in with yourself. Bring the hands to heart center. Thank you for joining me today for this mindful healing moment. If this practice resonated with you, I'd love to hear your experience in the comments below. How did Bhramari feel for you in your body and your mind today? Or any questions? Feel free to drop them below. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you get more mindful healing moments in the days ahead. Till next time, make it a great day on purpose. Bye.